Do you need to know how to check if your iPhone is unlocked? Whether you're planning to sell your iPhone, buy a used one, or switch to a new carrier, it's important to know whether or not your iPhone is unlocked. You can check this in your settings, or by calling your carrier with your International Mobile Equipment Identity, or IMEI number. An unlocked iPhone can be used on any network, but a locked phone is tied to one carrier. The easiest way to check is to go to General in Settings, tap on About, and scroll down to Carrier Lock or Service Provider Lock. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked, and you can use it on any carrier. If it says anything else, it's likely locked. Another way to find out if your phone is unlocked is by using another SIM card from a different network. Start by powering off your iPhone. Then use a SIM card ejector tool to remove your current SIM card. Replace it with a new SIM card from a different carrier. Next, power on your phone again and try to make a call. If it connects, the phone is definitely unlocked. To check if your phone is unlocked with your carrier, use their website or give them a call. You'll need to provide your IMEI number. An IMEI number is a 15-digit number unique to your device, like your phone's fingerprint or social security number. To find it, tap on General in Settings. Go to About and scroll down to IMEI. Your carrier can use it to tell you if it's locked or able to be used on their network. For professional help fixing your tech, visit Asurion.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.